Consistence. Consistency is one of the most important qualities in human life. A person may have talent, intelligence, strength, money, or opportunities. But without consistency, success will not stay for a long time. Consistency means doing a same work regularly without stopping. It means continuing our effort every day even when we feel tired, bored, or discouraged. Many people start their work with great excitement, but after a few days they lose interest and stop trying. Only a few people continue their effort with patience and discipline. Those people usually achieve great success in life. Consistency is like a small drop of water falling continuously on a stone. One drop may look weak, but continuous drop can slowly create a mark on a hot stone. In the same way, small and regular effort can create big achievement in life. Students need consistency in their studies. Many students study only during exam and expect high marks. But this habit does not help them grow properly. A consistent student study a little every day, revises lesson regularly, completes homework on time, and practice reading and writing daily. Because of this regular practice, learning become easier and stronger. Even difficult subject becomes simple when studied consistently. A student who studied for 1 hour every day can perform better than a student who studied for 10 hours only before exam. Consistency helps the mind remember information clearly for a long time. It also builds confidence and reduces fear during examination. Consistency is also very important in learning English. Many students want to speak English fluently, but they lose motivation quickly. Some students practice for 2 or 3 days and then stop. This habit delays progress. English can be learned successfully only through regular practice. Reading English paragraph daily, learning new words every day, speaking simple sentence regularly, and listening to English conversation continuously can improve communication skill greatly. Even if a person learn only 5 new words every day, after 1 year, that person will know thousands of words. Small daily improvements create big change over time. Consistency is more powerful than speed. Slow but regular learning gives better results than fast but irregular learning. In sports, consistency plays a major role in building strong athletes. Famous players become successful not only because of natural talent, but also because of regular practice. Athletes wake up early, follow strict routines, exercise daily, and train their bodies continuously. They do not stop when they feel tired or face failure. A cricket player practices batting every day. A runner trains regularly to improve speed and stamina. A football player practices passing, dribbling, and teamwork again and again. Continuous practice improves skill and performance. Without consistency, even talented players may fail. Hard work done regularly is stronger than talent used. Consistency is equally important in maintaining good health. Healthy habit must be followed daily. Eating healthy fruit once in while is not enough. Regular exercise, proper sleep, drinking enough water, and maintaining cleanness are necessary for a healthy life. Some people exercise for 1 week and then stop completely. This does not give good results. But a person who walks every day, eat balanced meals regularly, and follows healthily habit consistently can maintain good physical and mental health. Consistency also help in reducing stress and increasing energy level. Doctors and health experts often says that the healthy routines are more effective when followed continuously. Success in business also depend on consistency. A business owner must work regularly, provide quality service continuously, and maintain discipline in every activity. Customer trust business that are consistent in quality and service. If a shop gives a good product once day and poor product another day, customer may stop visiting. Consistency effort build trust and reputation. Large companies in the world become successful because they focused on regular improvement and customer satisfaction. Small daily effort in planning, communication, teamwork, and management slowly build a strong business. Consistent also help people build good character, good habits such as honesty, kindness, respect, and discipline. Responsibility becomes stronger through regular practice. A person becomes trustworthy when action remain consistent. For example, if someone speak politely, every day helps. other regularly, and behaves responsible, people will respect and trust that person. Character is not built in one day. It develops slowly through repeated action and habits. Similarly, bad habits also grow through consistency. Laziness, negative thinking, angry, and carelessness become stronger when repeated regularly. Therefore, people should choose good habits and practice them consistently. Many successful people in history achieved greatness through consistency. Scientists, teachers, leaders, writers, and inventors worked continuously for many years before achieving success. They faced failures, criticism, and difficulties, but they did not stop trying. For example, inventors often failed many times before creating successful invention. Writer practiced writing every day before publishing a famous book. Musician practicing instrument for years before performing beautifully. Success does not appear suddenly. Behind every great achievement, there is a long journey for consistent effort and patience. Consistency also improves self confidence. When people complete tasks regularly, they begin to believe in their abilities. Every small success increases confidence. For example, if a person wakes up early every day for 1 month, that person feels proud and motivated. If a student practices speaking English daily, confidence in communication slowly increases. Consistency teaches the mind that improvement is possible. It removes fear and laziness. People who follow routines regularly often feel more organized and peaceful in life. Time management becomes easier through consistency. People who follow regular schedules waste less time. They know who to study, work, exercise, and rest. Consistent routines create discipline and balance in life. On the other hand, irregular habits create confusion, stress, and delay. A person who sleeps and wake up at different times every day may feel tired and unproductive. But a person with consistent routines usually feel more energetic and focused. Discipline and consistency work together to create success. Sometimes consistency becomes difficult because life contains many challenges. People may feel disappointed after failures. They may become tired, distracted, or discouraged. However difficult the situation, they are true test for consistency. Strong people continue their effort even during hard times. They understand that failure is the part of learning. They do not give up easily. Instead, they learn from mistake and continue moving forward. Consistent does not mean perfection. It means continuing effort even after small failure and interruption. Technology and social media often reduce consistency among young people. Many students spend long hours watching videos, scrolling through mobile phones, or playing games. This distraction reduces focus and waste valuable time. To build consistency, people must control distraction and focus on important goals. Creating daily routines, setting simple goals, and practicing self discipline can help improve consistency. Even small steps taken daily are powerful. Reading a few pages every day, practicing a skill regularly, or completing small tasks on time can create great progress over the year. Teachers and parents also play an important role in developing consistency amongst children. They should encourage regularly study habit, discipline, and responsibility. Appreciation and motivation can help children continue their effort. School can teach the value of consistency through daily activities, assignment, and positive routines. Children who learn consistency at the young age often become responsible and successful adults in the future. Nature itself teaches the importance of consistency. The sun rises every day without fail. Rivers continue flowing continuously. Seasons change regularly according to time. Farmer works consistently to grow crops. Birds build nests step by step. Nature shows the continuous effort create growth and balance. Human life also becomes successful through regular effort and patience. In conclusion, consistency is one of the greatest key to success and happiness. It helps students learn better, athletes perform stronger, workers achieve goals, and individuals develop good habit and character. Consistency may look small in the beginning, but over time it creates powerful result. Daily effort repeated regularly become the foundation of success. A person does not need to be perfect or highly talented to achieve great things. What matters most is the ability to continue working, settling without giving up. Every small action done consistently brings improvement. Therefore, everyone should develop the habit of consistent in studies, works, health, relationship, and personal growth. In patient discipline and regular effort, consistency can transform ordinary people into successful and respected individually.